Top 5 Best APPs to learn Japanese. Learning Japanese can be an exciting yet challenging journey. Whether you want to master the language for travel, business, anime, or just for fun, choosing the right app can make all the difference. But with so many options available, which one is the best? Today, we're counting down the top 5 best apps to learn Japanese that will help you reach fluency faster. Stick around, because our number 1 pick might surprise you. Number 5, Duolingo. Starting off our list at number 5, we have Duolingo, one of the most well-known language learning apps worldwide. Duolingo makes learning Japanese fun with gamified lessons that keep you motivated. It teaches hiragana, katakana, and basic kanji, along with essential vocabulary and sentence structure. Plus, the bite-sized lessons make it easy to practice anytime, anywhere. However, Duolingo has its limitations. It doesn't focus much on real-world conversations, and its explanations of Japanese grammar can be a bit lacking. If you're just starting out and want a fun way to build vocabulary, Duolingo is a good choice, but if you're serious about fluency, keep watching. Number 4, LingoDeer. Coming in at number 4, we have LingoDeer, an app specifically designed for Asian languages, including Japanese. Unlike Duolingo, LingoDeer offers structured lessons that teach grammar, sentence structure, and pronunciation in a way that makes sense. It also has audio from native speakers, so you can hear proper pronunciation instead of robotic voices. LingoDeer is perfect if you want to understand Japanese grammar deeply while also practicing reading, writing, and listening. Number 3, Bunpo. At number 3, we have Bunpo, a must-have app for anyone who wants to master Japanese grammar. Bunpo breaks down Japanese grammar rules into simple, easy-to-understand explanations and offers practice exercises at every level from beginner to advanced. It's especially helpful for learners struggling with verb conjugations, particles, and sentence structure. If you're serious about getting your Japanese grammar right, Bunpo is an excellent tool to have in your learning arsenal. Number 2, WaniKani. Taking the number 2 spot is WaniKani, the best app for learning kanji. One of the biggest challenges in Japanese is memorizing kanji, and WaniKani uses a spaced repetition system, SRS, combined with mnemonics to make learning kanji fast and effective. The app guides you through over 2,000 kanji and thousands of vocabulary words, helping you recognize and recall them effortlessly. If reading Japanese is one of your main goals, WaniKani is hands down one of the best tools out there. Number 1, Anki. And finally, at number 1, we have Anki, the ultimate tool for mastering Japanese vocabulary. Anki isn't a traditional language learning app, but it's one of the most powerful flashcard systems available. It uses spaced repetition to help you remember words, kanji, and grammar points efficiently. You can download custom decks for Japanese learners or create your own flashcards with audio, example sentences, and images. If you're looking for a customizable, highly effective way to retain everything you learn, Anki is the best app for the job. Final thoughts? So there you have it, the top 5 best apps to learn Japanese. Whether you want fun gamified lessons, structured grammar practice, kanji mastery, or advanced vocabulary retention, there's an app for you. Which one do you think is the best? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. Thanks for watching.